Indian Classical Dancers Association ICDA coming with yet another workshop on Introduction to Kuchipudi, a Yakshagana tradition of Andhra Pradesh by Guru Dr. Surabhi Lakshmi Sharada. Dr. Surabhi Lakshmi Sharada is a Hyderabad-based, accomplished and reputed dancer in both Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam. She is also a choreographer, writer, teacher, actress for more than 2 decades. She is a staff artist of Song and Drama Division under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India. She is jury member of CCRT. Dr. Surabhi is the founder director of Sri Surabhi Academy of Performing Arts, which was established in 2006. Over years, she has trained several aspirants in the field of Indian classical music and dance. She is also conducted free classes for poor and underprivileged at the Zilla Parishad High School. She is running a YouTube channel named as Surabhi Sharada. Dr. Surabhi is an organizer, has conducted several programs to encourage the children and young artists. She had performed various prestigious festivals in both India and abroad. She won several awards and accolades for her contribution as dancer, choreographer and actress. She has won the prestigious state award Telugu Bhasha Samskriti by Telugu Rakshana Samiti, Kala Ratna from Nepal, Kala Bhushan from Dubai, Nritya Shiromani, Vishishta Pratibha Puraskar and many more. Currently, she is writing books on an innovative subject like dance therapy, dance for health, health is for everyone. Thank you.
Kuchipudi and completed PhD in Kuchipudi only. So today I'm going to explain about the Kuchipudi classical dance art form and the Yakshagana style of Andhra Pradesh. So basically, Kuchipudi evolved, originated in 10th century. Actually, there is no correct data has been given for Kuchipudi origin. But 10th century Shiva Leela tradition is the basic uh, proof for us to know about the origin of Kuchipudi. So, after Shiva Leela tradition, the Bhagavatars, that is Vishnu cult, have been evolved. So, when Vishnu cult is in its pinnacle, then Bhagavatars are started doing the performances. 1502, that is Machupalli Kaifiyat, that is a book, a source material of Kuchipudi dance, what the dance dramas they have done at that time. So those dance dramas are basically given the message by the dancers, what the public are doing, how the people are behaving and everything. So once this kind of dance drama has been performed in front of the king, then they have realized that how the public are treated by the Karanams and the head of that village and all. So basically that time dance dramas have evolved. Those are called the Rupakams. Rupakams are nothing but the characters are involved in that. That is basically dance drama style also. But very few and congested characters are there. Like it's not at all like elaborated characters, and the characters are not telling about themselves very elaborately themselves, but it has been pertained to some time. There is some time limit for the characters. There is a time limit for the programs, for the Rupakams. So, Kuchelapuram is a correct name for Kuchipudi dance, which has been originated from Kuchelapuram. And after that, Kuchipudi, the people are used to say that it is Kuchipudi. 1602, when Abul Hassan Tanisha has seen their Pagativations. Pagativations are the characters, Jengamaya character, Dadinamma character, and Satyabhama. So, such kind of Pagativations, Jangam characters. So many, they used to wear that costume and makeup and the music, and with the musical instruments they used in front of the Abul Hassan Tanisha. Then he has given those Bhagavatars a large land to them, that is nothing but Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi evolved in Krishna district, that is in Andhra Pradesh, very small village, that is Kuchipudi Agraharam. Kuchipudi Agraharam is consisting of hundreds of Brahmin families. Very few surnames they have. Those people are practicing the whole family the Kuchipudi dance. Kuchipudi dance is not a solo performance. It's a dance drama performances. So that's why now we are calling as Yakshagana style of Kuchipudi. But when compared to dance dramas and Yakshagana styles, Yakshagana is different and dance dramas are different and Rupakams are different and Kalapams are different. So there are number of changes and different chronological order of their characters and their elaborated characters and their makeup and costumes keep on increasing themselves, a rich art and culture of Andhra Pradesh. So basically, they have started with the dance dramas, with Pagativations, from Sivalila traditions to Bhagavatar, then Pagativations, and then Kuchipudi Yakshaganas. So there are some families, that is Pasumarthi, Meliswarapu, Josyula, Chinta, Vedantam, Vempati, Tadepalli. These people are very famous to propagate the Kuchipudi art form throughout that village as well as throughout the Andhra Pradesh. There is some similarity. These Kuchipudi Yakshaganams and Kuchipudi Bhagavatars, in Tamil Nadu also, Bhagavata Mela Natakams used to say, these Kuchipudi Yakshagana Bhagavatars have been transferred from Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu, and they have established themselves there in Tamil Nadu, and they are called it as Melatur Bhagavatars. So Chinta Venkat Ramaya, the pioneer for Melatur Bhagavatam. So there they used to say Bhagavatars, here Bhagavatulu, Kuchipudi Bhagavatulu in Andhra Pradesh, Bhagavatars total south. So there are so many variations, similarities and dissimilarities throughout the South India about the Yakshaganas. One person should know about what is dance drama. Dance drama is we can be differentiate between dance and drama. Drama is different from dance. Why is it so? What is drama? What is dance? One should know about these words. The drama is having the that is a dialogue version between two people. That is called drama. Drama proper is with dialogues, whereas dance is abhinayam as well as nritta part. Here one should know what is nritya and natya. Why Kuchipudi is natyam? Natyam is nothing but the drama element is involved in that particular classical art form. So dialogue version should be there. And then dance is with nritta and nritya. Nritya part will have the abhinayam as well as nrittam. That is sariraka abhinaya Angika Abhinaya will be there in Nritya as well as the Abhinaya along with these two parts. But Nritta is purely bodily movements. So here in dance drama, we have dialogue proper as well as Nritya and Nritta all together will be there. So, Shweta, anything you want to ask? Some disturbances coming. Nothing?
Nothing, ma'am. I'm just trying to mute others. That's it.
Okay. Shall I continue?
Yes, please.
Yes. Okay. So, this one should know what is the dance dramas are. So, then when we are coming to Yakshagana type of dance style, that is dance dramas, what we are calling. So, Yakshagana style have the complexity of showing the characters on stage, and there is no time limitation, and each character will introduce themselves on stage. The elaboration of the characters, one person will do their makeup themselves, they'll stitch their costumes themselves. Only male persons will do the program continuously. There is no time limitation for the Yakshaganams. And also, very few ragas they are using in their Yakshaganams. That is Regupta, that is Mohana Ragam, Sehana, Karahara Priya, then Ananda Bhairavi, Bilahari. These kinds of ragas they have used, but not the Sivaranjani. There are few ragas they have incorporated in their Yakshaganams. And also Sandhi Vachanas. Sandhi Vachanas are there. Every time one Sutradhara continuously hosting the whole drama, and he used to say Parabrahma. He has the knowledge of the Yakshaganams and the characters, and when to come, when to go, and what is the story, and how to build up the story, how to hold the whole thing, whole Yakshagana in one place to attract the audience, to continue the play continuously. So, he is the anchor of the whole Yakshagana. So, Sutradhara, we used to call that person is Sutradhara, anchor of the show. So, Sutradhara will introduce each character, and he used to connect the whole story. And in case if anything is happened, when character is not coming in time, it is not coming onto the stage, then he will tell about the story, and also he can stop the character to come onto the dais. So the total holding will be there in the hands of the particular person, that is anchor, that is Sutradhara. Excuse me. So this is Sandhi Vachanas and different ragas, and they do their Pravesha Darbu and also Yavanika. Yavanika is nothing but a curtain like thing. So when a character is enter into the show, enter onto the dais, so they will do one curtain like this, that is called Tera. Behind that Tera, the character is coming onto the dais. Once the character is entered onto the dais, then they will slowly remove the Tera, that is curtain, a small cloth. After that, when the character is going from the completing their portion and going back to the backstage, again Patra Nishkramana, character will go off. Nishkramana is going back to their regular place. So going back from the character from the dais to the backstage, it is Patra Nishkramana. The character is going off from the stage. That time also they used to put the Tera, that is Yavanika. it is called. And also they use the castor oil lamp, that is Gugilam, they used to show the program for the lighting purpose, for good reason they used to show that one. Preliminarily, they'll start with the Ishtadevata Prarthana. Ishtadevata Prarthana is nothing but they'll start with goddess Saraswati, that is Sharada, Amba Bhavani, Devi Bhavani, Vani Paraku, Sri Vani Paraku. Like that, they will start their prayer, and then the Sutradhara will come onto the dais and he will start to introduce the characters. He will tell that whole story one by one and interact with each character and telling the story continuously. And meanwhile, with the dialogues, he will enthrall the audience and get the attention of the audience. He will continue the whole show. So, the one who is doing that Sutradhara character should know the content of the story, music, choreography, dialogue delivery, and tala, everything. So they used to use these musical instruments like Maddela, Mridangam, and then one singer, that is Nattuvanar. These people will be there aside, and characters entry will be there in another side, and this Sutradhara will stand in front of the stage in one side. So, like that, the differentiation of the artists, the differentiation of the musical instruments and Natuvana and the characters and the anchor part. So, likewise, the total stage they will cover and they will do the Yakshagana without any time limit. So, this is the way they are doing the Yakshaganas. So, one Yakshagana you can see like Shweta is going to play that Yakshagana. So, you can see what are all eyesight, what Yakshagana is actually is having, that is Gugilam and interaction of the characters, Yavanika and the Ragas.
వీడియో పాస్ అంటే వీడియో పాస్ అయింది అక్కడ వాళ్ళే కదా హలో సార్ వేసుకున్నా మరి బ్యారాసు తర్వాత వేసుకుంటా రేపు రేపు అవసరం లేదు కదా ఎల్లుండి వేసుకో
So you have seen that Yavanika and introducing the character on stage, and also Krishna's character, and also Sutradhara. So all these people will be on stage, and one side that musical instruments. So this is the actual Yakshagana style, But nowadays we are just doing the dance dramas. Dance dramas we are not having. In so many dance dramas there is no Sutradhara. Just we are playing with the music and dance and with musical instruments. Right now what we are doing, those dance dramas also you can see that Krishna Pushkaralu dance drama. Sweta is going to play that Krishna Pushkaralu. This I have been choreographed and also performed during the Krishna Pushkaralu time, that is at Vijayawada, as well as in Mahbubnagar district. Both in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana I have been performed this, and I choreographed this one. Telugilla Aliveni Talli Krishnaveni. This is the title of that. These people are my disciples, and we have done there. And I introduced the folk art form also in this.
పుష్కరాలు పుష్కరాలు భూమిజన తీర్థాలు 12 ఏళ్లకు పవిత్ర నదుల స్నానాలు 12 ఏళ్లకు పవిత్ర నదుల స్నానాలు పుష్కరాలు పుష్కరాలు
That one. Yes. This is the entrance of the characters Brahma, Vishnu.
అదిగో అదిగో పుష్కరుడను విప్రోతముడు నదుల పవిత్ర స్థితి కారకుడు పుష్కరుడను.
That is Patra Pravesham. Pushkarudu introduced himself on stage.
అదిగో పుష్కరుడను విప్రోతముడు ప్రజల పాప పంకిలముల రోసి ప్రతినది ముట్టుకొనుట చూసి ప్రజల పాప పంకిలముల రోసి నది ముట్టుకొనుట చూసి ప్రక్షాళన గావించి పునీతము చేయనిల్చి ప్రక్షాళన గావించి పునీతము చేయనిల్చి పశుపతి ప్రార్థించే పుణ్యత్వము సిద్ధించ పశుపతి ప్రార్థించే పుణ్యత్వము సిద్ధించ.
Shweta, forward please.
నారాయణాయ పరమేతి జలముంగ మండలమునందుంచి పరధాము శ్రీహరి పాదములు కడిగే పరధాము శ్రీహరి పాదములు కడిగే పుష్కరుడు జగతను కూడి జగతి చరించగా వరమునర్పించే వరమునర్పించే
తల
Okay. Like this, the whole Telugu Krishnaveni dance drama is going on like that till where the Krishna river is going to mix with the ocean. So this is the whole concept. Why Krishna Pushkaralu is in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, people are celebrating every 15 years. The whole story it is. So this is like a dance drama. There is no Sutradhara in this. So even in Rupakas also there is no Sutradhara, but there are some characters. Every time characters are there. When dialogue proper is there, then it is called the drama. Without a drama element, we cannot say that it is Natyam. Natyam is always involves dance, drama, and dialogue proper. This is the main thing what I want to tell you. Everybody is saying that Bharatanatyam. Actually, Bharatanatyam is not correct. It's not drama proper. It's only Nrutyam. Nrutyam is Abhinayam. Footwork and Abhinaya is there in Bharatanatyam. Because I am a Bharatanatyam dancer, I know. But nowadays people are doing implemented themselves in Bharatanatyam also. Some dance dramas they are doing. That's a great thing. And we are welcoming all these kinds of innovations. And now the dance dramas and Yakshaganas in Kuchipudi has been changed to solo performances. Even Kuchipudi dance artists also now doing Kuchipudi Nrutyam, not Natyam. When Natyam says, oh, dialogue should be there. When Nrutyam, only Abhinayam and Nrutta part should be there. So Yakshaganam is, there is no time limit, and having these features is going to call Yakshaganams. But Rupakams and Kalapams will be having the characters, but they are pertaining to simple and 2 or 3 characters in nature in all the Kuchipudi Natyam forms. So it is called as Kuchipudi Bharatam. Basically, Kuchipudi art form is following the Bharata's Natya Shastra completely when compared to other like Bharatanatyam, Dasiyattam. These people are following Bharata's Natya Shastra as well as Abhinaya Darpanam, Nandikeshwara Abhinaya Darpanam. These 2 Shastras they are following, but Kuchipudi people is always based completely on Bharata's Natya Shastra. Sometimes they may use the Nandikeshwara's Abhinaya Darpanam too. But when South Indian part, when we consider South Indian part, Yakshaganam is basically, many people know that Karnataka Yakshaganam. So, how the Kuchipudi Yakshaganam and Karnataka Yakshaganam we can differentiate is, basically Karnataka Yakshaganam is having the folk proper, but Kuchipudi Yakshaganam is based on Carnatic music as well as epics and complete Shastra they are following. So that's why Kuchipudi Yakshaganam is little bit different from Karnataka Yakshaganam. And also, I want to tell you this, last week we saw that one seminar, Bhagavata Mela Natakams. That in that session, I asked the ma'am also, Bhagavata Mela Natakams are from Kuchipudi Bhagavatas. But ma'am said that it's not correct. But it is saying that in the books, all the Kuchipudi artists, they are move on to Melatur. And they started, Chinta Venkatramaya has started that Melatur Bhagavatams. So that's why they are doing Telugu Yakshaganams. If it is basically from Tamil Nadu, they will do in Tamil. Why they are doing in Telugu? Telugu means these Kuchipudi Bhagavatas are moved into South, that is Madras state, and they started doing Melatur Bhagavatams. So this is the a transformation of Kuchipudi Yakshaganams from Rupakams, dance dramas, Yakshaganas, and now dance dramas, solo performances. Vedantam Lakshminarayana Shastri, he is the pioneer of making the solo performances. We have good repertoire and we have the characters introduction, and everything is sophisticated and well presented, and excellently, beautifully lyrical values are there, and padyams are there. Poems are very much incorporated in Yakshaganams. Why poems are there? In Telugu, poems are highly having the flavor of literature, Telugu literature. So poems are giving the beauty to the Yakshaganam style. So, poems are there. When compared to Padya Natakams, poems are less pronounced, and the ragams and are all, they will stop in between, not like Padya Natakams. Padya Natakams, the raga will be going on for 1 minute continuously, whereas in Yakshaganams, the raga will be pertained to some limit. So, likewise, they are implemented Carnatic music and good instruments. They do themselves their makeup and they'll stitch their costumes. Only male people will do the programs, and there is no time limit. Having these kinds of features, the Yakshaganams are rich in tradition, in nature, and beautifully, and having the great lyrical values of Telugu. And all the pandits and scholars and many melams, many bhagavatas, they have done this Yakshaganams. Now also Chinta Ravi Balakrishna, Eleswarapu, Surya Prakash Rao, and also Vedantam Ramalinga Shastri Garu, they have written so many Yakshaganam. Now also they are performing. And Pasumarthi Seshu Babu Garu and Vedantam Radheshyam Garu, all these people are, they used to write the Yakshaganams, and still they are performing, and this tradition. But fortunately, I was in Kuchipudi dance, and by God's grace, I am propagating my Kuchipudi by doing this dance dramas and Yakshaganams. So this is the total picture of Yakshaganam and dance dramas and other South Indian Yakshaganam styles also. Yes, what is the next question, Shweta? I want to continue with dance dramas. I said that introduction to Kuchipudi I have completed, and what is the next question I want to ask? Like in the third one.
Special features.
Huh? Special features I told just now. What are the difference between dance dramas, rupakas, kalapams, and now solo performances? These are all the different aspects in Kuchipudi. Right now, what we are doing. So the next one nowadays, how the Yakshaganams are there.
Yes.
Yakshaganams. It's very complicated topic actually. Yakshaganam, no one is doing now. Because it's like economically, when we see that we need so many characters and we need time and particular place, and the audience side also, we should see that many n number of people, if they come and they watch the program, that will be very nice for the audience, but nobody is coming nowadays for seeing these Yakshaganams. But the flavor and the tradition and the lyrical beauty, the value of the Kuchipudi and everything is excellently presented by the Kuchipudi artists. But when we see the audience side, people are not having that much of time to spare to see the program continuously. So that's why they are pertaining to 1 hour, 1.5 hours or 2 hours time to watch that program. This is the thing is happening nowadays, and Yakshaganams are also continuing, and dance dramas and the Rupakams and everything is continuing. So the Kuchipudi art will go on from generation to generation with all these highlights. And nowadays they are doing Jugalbandis and the fusion kind of things, and solo performances, group performances, and some with Western beats are also they are doing. I did so many experiments in this field, Kuchipudi arts, and many people are asking why you are doing all these things. This is our tradition. You are spoiling our tradition also. No, I never spoiled my tradition. With the help of the tradition only, I did all these things. Without knowing the Kuchipudi, how can I do? I'm not doing any Mohiniyattam or any other Kathak performance, but I do my Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam performances because I learned these two art forms. I know how to do, how to implement, how to make the audience to see and enjoy the program. This is the thing I want to tell. If anything you want to ask, you can.
Does anybody have any doubts? So please ask. Unmute yourself and please ask. Or else raise the hand, I can unmute.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am. This is
Namaste,
Shivani.
Yeah, Vani, tell me.
Ma'am, you have told us that Karnataka Yakshaganam is also there along with Kuchipudi Yakshaganam, right?
Yes, yes.
So, are they still performing this Karnataka Yakshaganam, ma'am, or only Kuchipudi Yakshaganam is being still performed?
No, Karnataka Yakshaganam, they are doing there in Karnataka state. But
Okay, ma'am.
some people are saying that Kuchipudi Yakshaganam is not an Yakshaganam. Only Karnataka Yakshaganam is there and it is very famous, but not Kuchipudi. No, it's not correct. Kuchipudi Yakshaganam is also famous as the Karnataka Yakshaganam is famous in their state. But there is a difference between these two Yakshaganams. What are those? One is they are implementing the folk element in Karnataka Yakshaganam. But Kuchipudi people are not implemented that folk element in this.
Okay.
Did you understand, Vani? That is the difference,
Yes, ma'am.
basic difference
Yes.
between the Karnataka Yakshaganam and Kuchipudi Yakshaganam.
Okay, ma'am.
But
Thank
it
you,
is
ma'am.
similar to the Melattur Yakshaganam. Melattur Yakshaganam and our Kuchipudi Yakshaganam, one and the same.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
But they are
Thank you,
doing, thank you. But they are doing in a slow manner, but we are doing in a Druta Laya. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
I want to demo with my Bhama Kalapam. Shall I do that?
Yes,
Shweta,
please, sir.
shall
Yes,
I
please,
start?
Yes, please.
I will sing myself and do the Patra Pravesha Darvu. One Patra Pravesha Darvu is there,
Yes.
one dance, Vedalera Vayarulu.
Exactly.
That you can play, please. This is Patra Pravesha Darvu for Vipranarayana Nuchanatika. That is Yakshaganam. Vipranarayana Yakshaganam. All the Veshas, they are the prostitutes. They are all going to meet the Vipranarayana. This is the context, and this is Vedalera Vayarulu is nothing but the Pravesha Darvu of that particular person, that is prostitute.
This one, ma'am?
Yeah, this one only. You can play continuously till the end of the item. Yeah, this is the Pravesa Daruvu of Vipranarayana Nrutyanatika. We can do the solo performance also like this. Each Pravesa Daruvu we can take and do the Bhama Kalapam, Bhama Pravesa Daruvu, as well as Madana Pravesa Daruvu. So all these Pravesa Daruvus we can do. Rukmini Pravesa Daruvu, Lakshmi, Usha Pravesa Daruvu. Each character we can do the Pravesa Daruvu. So this is the most very special feature of Yakshagana. So each character will introduce herself on stage and depicts the whole character in the song, in the item itself. So now I am showing the Satyabhama, Bhama Kalapam, how she introduced herself on stage, and also the Sutradhara character. So Sutradhara will ask about the Krishna's whereabouts, and also she is asking the Krishna's whereabouts to that Sutradhara. Sutradhara is asking how he will be, what he will be. You describe about your husband, and we will see where he is. So this is the conversation between the Sutradhara and the Satyabhama. Satyabhama will be introduce herself on stage first. So I will just show the demo how she comes on to the stage, and then the Sutradhara will ask one dialogue about Sri Krishna, and what she answer. This is the conversation I want to show you. Bhamani, Satyabhamani, Satyabhamani, Vaiyari, Satyabhamani, Satyabhamani. This is the introduction of herself. Satyabhama, I am Bhama, she is saying. Then the Sutradhara will ask from here, Oyamma, నీ స్వామి వారు ఏ రూపు వారో ఏ రేఖ వారో నఖ శిఖ పర్యంతము శిఖ నఖ పర్యంతము తెలియచేయవే తల్లి. దెన్ సత్యభామ, నా స్వామి వారు వేణువుని ధరించినటువంటి వారే ఓయమ్మ. వేణువుని ధరించినటువంటి వారా? అయితే ఆ గొల్ల పిల్లవాడేమో, వెళ్ళి పిలుచుకొస్తాను ఉండమ్మా. అబ్బబ్బబ్బబ్బా, నా స్వామివారు నెమలి పింఛమును ధరించినటువంటి వారే ఓయమ్మ. నెమలి పింఛము ధరించినటువంటి వారా? అయితే అక్కడ నెమలికలు పెట్టుకుని వేణువులు అమ్ముతున్నాడు, అతనేమో వెళ్ళి పిలుచుకొస్తాను ఉండవే. అబ్బబ్బబ్బా, ఏంటి మాధవి, నా స్వామివారు అందమైన వారు. నా స్వామివారు నల్లని వారు, నీలమేఘశ్యాముడు. నా స్వామివారు వేణువులు ధరించినటువంటి వారు, నెమలీకలు ధరించినటువంటి వారు. ఓయమ్మా, అలాగా, ఉండమ్మా. ఇవి చెప్తే నాకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు, కానీ ఇంకేమైనా చెప్పు. Like this, the conversation between the Bhama and the Sutradhara. Sutradhara is Madhavi in this Kalapam, that is Bhama Kalapam. Most like popular Kalapam in Kuchipudi dance. Everybody used to do this when this Kalapam knows, and they if they perform that, they feel that she is like well trained and very experienced artist in Kuchipudi, because in this all the Nayikas will be portrayed continuously. So this is the thing, like this is the Pravesha Daravu. Each character will be introduced themselves and they portrayed with the dialogues. We cannot see such kind of feature in any dance dramas. So this is the most beautiful and very interesting feature in Telugu tradition, that is Andhra Pradesh tradition, Kuchipudi, Yakshaganas and dance dramas. Yes, please. Any queries? Any questions? Any doubts? Anything you want to ask? Please.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. Hello.
Shweta, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes.
Is it audible?
Yes.
Shweta, is it
Yes,
audible?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shweta, audible it is?
Yes, audible.
Yes. Nobody
You
is
can
asking.
hear me? You can hear me?
Yeah, Shweta. We can then continue with the dance therapy. So this is the new interesting thing what I'm doing right now. I'm writing a book on this dance therapy, how dance is useful for society, not only
Oh.
for our tradition and culture. I feel that it should be useful to the society, for all public.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
For this Yakshagana tradition of Kuchipudi, is there any repertoire?
The Kuchipudi repertoire?
Huh?
Yes,
What are the
Kuchipudi
items?
repertoire
It is
is
only
there.
dance dramas, or like Bharatanatyam, we have Alarippa, Tradiswaram. Like
Yes,
that kind
yes.
of
Like
repertoire is there?
that. In Kuchipudi also,
Kuchipudi.
Kautvams are there, and introductory invocatory puja nrityam is there. Brahmanjali and Ganapati Kautvam we used to do, and then Shabdam is there. Jatiswaram, Shabdam. After that, we used to do Balagopala Tarangam. And
Only
then
Balagopala Tarangam.
Balagopala Tarangam, written by Narayana Tirtha Tarangams. These are all written by Narayana Tirtha. So we'll do on plate. This is very attractive and very with all jatis and Ritta part. We portrayed on stage with a kalasham. Also, some people are putting their kalasham on their head, and some people with deepam, that is lights and lamps, on hands. Likewise, many improvisations have been done. Some people only with tambalam, that is only brass plate. On plate, they used to do that Narayana Tirtha Tarangam. There are many Tarangams. When Vaishnavite cult is in its pinnacle, Narayana Tirtha has written a number of Tarangams. And these Tarangams, Siddhendra Yogi is a disciple of Narayana Tirtha. And Siddhendra Yogi has written many Yakshaganams. That is Bhama Kalapam, he has written that. And also this Krishna's, about Krishna, Lord Krishna, many Rupakams and also dance dramas he has written. He is the pioneer of Kuchipudi dance. After him, there are many Kuchipudi Brahmin families have introduced so many items, solo as well as dance dramas and Pravesha Daravus and Yakshaganas all together. They used to write and compose and make up everything, A to Z, they do themselves. Sometimes they took the help from Surabhi artists also for technicality, for technically shown Ramanatakam. Some from Sita and Rama, they are going in a small boat from this place to that place. Then that time, the Surabhi technical team, as that one the river that they have shown with their technicality and all. So this with the help of these people, they did so many Yakshaganams. And the total thing, they have not depended on anybody else. Only male artists, mainly male artists, are performing these things. Right now, many female people are also doing, female artists are also doing. You know very well. And in this field, Padma Vibhushan Yamini Krishnamurthy and Radha Reddy Raja Reddy, as well as nowadays Alekhya Punjala, Professor Alekhya Punjala, Professor Jonnalagadda Anuradha, Dr. Aruna Bhikshu, and Vanaja Uday, and many people are there, Vaijayanti Kashi. Many people are they are doing Hema Malini that time. Hema Malini is also disciple of Vempatina Satyam Garu. Without Vempatina Satyam, we cannot take that Kuchipudi. He is a master of all systematized Kuchipudi dance form. And also the pioneer when Siddhendra Yogi is there, but systematized by him. And Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana Shastri is a pioneer of solo Kuchipudi art form. He established so many solo forms, that is Shabdam, Ramayana Shabdam, Krishna Shabdam, and Dasavatara Shabdam. These Shabdams are all very popular in Kuchipudi dance. So when Shabdam is introduced on stage, everybody will call as it is Kuchipudi dance. So Kuchipudi dance will have a special kind of costume. That is with this gochi, what in Telugu is called a small piece of pattu sarees border, they'll put at the back of the seat. So that is very, very essential. And also this side, this kongu, we are tying like this, and this kongu will be coming like this. It's going to be stitched like this. This is a very unique and specific feature of Kuchipudi costume. So when we see that Bharatanatyam costume and all having so many frills front, that is Dasyatam, that is solo performance art form. Kacheriyatam, we used to say Bharatanatyam, having the footwork and Abhinaya all together, compared to Kuchipudi dance drama tradition and Yakshagana style. And when we see that Kathakali art form also, Yakshagana is there, but the characters will be different. Pacha, Katti, Minukku, all these characters they will portray, and they will also render themselves, and they don't have the limitation to render the character and to portray the character. Is it correct, Shweta? Because you belongs to
They don't recite anything.
Kerala.
The Vachika is done by the back, behind the
Back. Yes. Okay. But the characters, they'll differentiate each
Yes,
other.
yes.
So Ramana, Rama, hero, and villain characters, all these characters. So it's like a drama proper. Is it correct?
Exactly.
So we have the South Indian dance drama. We have completely dance drama style. That's why it is Natyam, not Nrutyam. So this is the difference. Everybody should make a note that many people are saying that Bharatanatyam, but it is Bharatanutyam, Kuchipudi Natyam, but not Kuchipudi Nrutyam. When we do the solo performances, we used to say Kuchipudi Nrutyam. We have to say Kuchipudi Nrutyam, but not Kuchipudi Natyam. When we do Yakshaganam or dance dramas or Rupakams or Kalapams, such kind of things, having the characters and having the dialogue version, then we can say that it is Natyam. So
ma'am,
that's all.
there is one sir called Prakash is having doubt. Sir, please,
Yeah.
please ask.
Yes.
Sir, can you unmute?
Yeah.
Sir, can you unmute? Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am,
Mm.
what is the difference between Mohiniyattam and Kathak and Kuchipudi?
Yeah, Kathak, you know that it is north side classical art form, North Indian classical art form. We will stand and we'll do without bending our knees. We do the Kathak dance.
Okay.
You know it very well. They'll do Ghumars, rounds, checkers.
Okay.
So in Kathak, that is proper. But Mohiniyattam is very subtle, and it belongs to Kerala, and it's a classical art form. Mainly female people will do. It's a solo performance.
Why they are wearing only white dress, white or yellow coloring only they are wearing?
They are
What
wearing.
is the difference?
Yes. That is their tradition. They are following the same tradition for the generation before. So that's why they are continuing. So why we are wearing that gochi type of thing, pattu thing in Kuchipudi dance? Why we are wearing this means it's a unique feature of that particular state and that particular classical art form. So that is the thing. If anything specifically you want to say, Shweta, you can say.
What? No, ma'am. No.
Yeah, that much I know. Yeah, now are you clear, Prakash ji?
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
One Sahil Kumar is asking a doubt. Yes,
Yes.
please unmute. Please unmute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. What is the difference between Kuchipudi dance and the Bharatanatyam dances?
Yes, good doubt. Many people are having the doubt. Why? Because when we start our dance in Kuchipudi, everybody is saying that it is Bharatanatyam. And even many people are asking me, are you going to teach Bharatanatyam or Kuchipudi? We don't know the difference between these two. Actually, these two are from South Indian region. First thing you make a note that. And at the same time, the one is dance drama style and another one is solo performance style. Solo performance is Bharatanatyam and it belongs to Tamil Nadu, and some items they'll do in Tamil also. Okay, they'll do Telugu also, Telugu Padams and Telugu Tillanas, they will do. But whereas in Kuchipudi, we won't do any Tamil songs. We'll do only Telugu or Sanskrit songs. Got my point? And at the same time, some movements are different. So Bharatanatyam people will do only circles, diamond shape, triangles, squares, rectangles. That's it. But Kuchipudi is zigzag formation. They'll do like this, zigzag. Total body, torso and bottom, everything will be moving when they do their Angika Vinayam. Got my point? Whereas in Bharatanatyam, we will stand and we won't move this part, this torso part, and we will give the more preference to footwork rather than the Abhinaya. But Kuchipudi, we will give more importance to Abhinaya rather than the footwork. That's it. But both will do footwork, both will do Abhinaya. But importance will be given more or less in these two. You got my point, Sahil?
Yes, ma'am. Because my ma'am told me that if we will learn the classical dance, we can do any dance.
Yes, that's correct. Why is it so, you know?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Sahil, and thank you, Prakash sir. Any other doubts? Anyone else? Go, sir.
Madam, performing with plates and performing with pots on heads is very difficult. How much time it takes for a dancer to practice the
Actually, it is depending upon the practice and also the balancing of the artist. How long he is performing with that pot on their head or kalash on their head, and also that brass plate, and how long she'll be able to balance on those things, that's left to the artist. Just a teacher will teach them that this is the basic thing, how to hold that brass plate and how to balance that pot on their head. That's it. Afterwards, they have to do themselves, they should practice, and it takes 10 days, 15 days if it is continuous practicing. 15 days it takes, or otherwise 1 month also sometimes.
Why Kuchipudi is not popular in the northeast and the northern states?
Yeah, actually, many people are asking the same question. The Kuchipudi Bhagavatas are mainly they're uneducated. Like they know the Sanskrit, they know Telugu, but not the English or any other Indian languages. So they cannot propagate themselves to many states. They cannot explain themselves what they are actually doing and how they are doing. But whereas in Bharatanatyam, people, they take their tradition to some countries also. After Vempatis Chinasatyam and my guru, Bharatakala Prapurna, Dr. Korada Narasimha Rao, it has been attained international popularity. And Radha Reddy Raja Reddy takes this Kuchipudi throughout the world, and it was nowadays Kuchipudi, everybody knows the Kuchipudi very well. They know the differentiate, they can differentiate between the Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi together. So this is the main reason, lack of communication, nothing else. That's scholars only.
Sorry, one Dashini is asking that it is not a Tamil composition. Bharatanatyam has many language compositions.
Yes, of course. But Tamil compositions are many compositions I have seen and I have done. And many other compositions are also there in Tamil. But whereas in Telugu, in Kuchipudi, we are not going to do the Tamil composition or Kannada composition. But Krishna Ni Begane Baro, they have done for the Abhinaya sake, just for the change of performance like that. But everything is in Telugu and Sanskrit, mainly based on that. But Bharatanatyam, I have done so many Tamil Varnams, many Varnams in Tamil. They do Tamil Bharatanatyam. You are the Bharatanatyam dancer, no? You know very well. They'll do Telugu, they'll do Kannada, they'll do Tamil. Many Tamil compositions are there in Bharatanatyam. And also Telugu. Telugu compositions are also there. They'll do Telugu compositions. Jagaraya Kirtanas, Telugu composition. And Mangalampalli Balamurli Tillanas. So all these things they'll do. Even we also do. Actually, Tillana is from Bharatanatyam side. But we adopted that Tillana. Now you people are adopted, Bharatanatyam people adopted dance drama style. So nothing wrong in that. It's a new innovations. But we are attached with the tradition. We are doing so many innovations to attract the audience, to make those people to train under us. And from generation to generation, we want to continue our tradition and culture. Our classical art form. This is the main motto, nothing else in this. So everybody will be going inside the ocean, and we cannot see the depth of the ocean like that. We are just artists, that's all. We are propagating our art, nothing else. We have to do so many things.
Okay. Ma'am, what are the special styles? Like in Bharatanatyam, we have a lot of styles like Pantanallur, Kalakshetra, Vadavu style. In Kuchipudi, is there have like that kind of styles? Or?
Yes, there are some styles. Actually, basically these Brahmin families have established this Kuchipudi art form, no? Pasumati, Eleswarapu, these people. Their old tradition is there, and then new tradition is also there. Then Vempati Chinasatyam Garu has systematized, and my dance, my guru, Dr. Korada Narasimha Rao style is also different. Yakshaganas, what we discussed about Yakshaganas, my guru Mohini Bhasmasura is to do that Yakshagana. But these Brahmin families, they are not doing that Mohini Bhasmasura Yakshagana. So this is the difference. And nowadays some universities have established different kind of Kuchipudi styles. That is some Uma Ramarao Garu style in Telugu University, and Vempati Chinasatyam Garu style, and very old Brahmin families, those Agraharam style. So like that, 3 styles have been established, and I adopted all 3 styles, and I implemented all 3 styles in my Kuchipudi dance. Nothing wrong in that. Everything is Kuchipudi. Just the way they do is different. That's some steps are different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone else?
Shweta, can I ask a question?
Yes. Yes, please, sir.
Pranam Akka. I am an Odissi dancer, student of Kelucharan Mahapatra. So
Odissi dancer.
Yes. Like Odissi, basically it was done at Jagannath Puri temple for the Lord. And so, did we have any background to like Devadasi tradition? I've heard about it in Bharatanatyam, but in Kuchipudi, and was it ever like that, or always? What I have heard, because with Odissi, it was done in the temple only for the Lord and not for the audience.
Yes, I know that. I can explain this one.
Yeah.
So I understood your question also.
Yeah.
Actually, we have Devadasi system in Telugu tradition also. That is Kalavantula tradition. You know Kalavantula. That's the East Godavari, West Godavari side in Andhra Pradesh. In this tradition, they are dedicated themselves to Lord Krishna temples. Okay. They'll do the Kshetraya Padams. You know Padam, you know Padam, Kshetraya Padam. That is pure Telugu Padam. And they are Antar Maharis, Bahar Maharis. What you have. Like Anga Bogulu, Antar Maharis and Bahar Maharis. There are two kinds of people. Even in Bharatanatyam, that Devadasi Attam, we have inside the temple and outside the temple, that festival timings, they are doing the dance performances.
Correct.
They are different. And only Anga Bogulu, we used to say Anga Bogulu and Ranga Bogulu. What Anga Bogulu will do? Anga Bogulu will be dedicated their dance forms to the Lord Krishna or Lord Vishnu. Whereas Rangabogulu will do when festivals or jatras or any occasions, utsavas, when these kinds of things are happening in temples, any festivals, occasions, and these Rangabogulu will do the performances. We have Kalavantulu's families. So in Andhra Natyam, we can see such kind of dances. Okay, you got my point?
Yeah, I got
Andhra
your point. But
Andhra Nach.
Yeah,
it is
Andhra Nach. Okay.
Andhra Natyam. This is also a classical dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Natyam.
Yes, Andhra Natyam. I've heard
recognized,
about it.
Recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy. Now 11 are there. 11 classical art forms are there. So in that, Andhra Natyam is also there. Gaudiya Satriya has recently incorporated. Satriya dance. Yes.
But when the Antar Baharis are doing it, so is the performance available to the audience then?
No. When it is they are offering that Naivedyam, no? Prasad, their Naivedyam or Prasad, when they are offering, that time they'll do the dance. Only themselves will dedicate themselves to the Lord Vishnu or Lord Krishna. Not in the temple of Shiva. You make a note. Only Vaishnava temples only dedicated themselves to that particular temples. They'll do the performances. Or otherwise they won't do in front of Lord Shiva.
Why? Is there a reason and such?
Yes. Vaishnavite cult is in its pinnacle. So Vaishnava cult is highest position. So that's why they have done all these things. Temple is a cultural hub that time.
True.
Yeah.
Thank you, Akka.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, is there any difference on Andhra Natyam and Vilasini Natyam? It is different.
Yes, there is a difference. But Vilasini Natyam and Andhra Natyam, Vilasini Natyam is a part and parcel of Andhra Natyam. Devadasis, what Kalavantulus are doing, that dance is called the Vilasini dance. So it's a small part of Andhra Natyam. Like now Perini, you heard that name Perini dance, only gents are doing. So very vigorously they will do. Like the Ganas in front in Kailasha, they'll do that dance. So the same thing Perini dance. It is in Telangana. They are performing this Perini dance in Telangana. That is also part and parcel of Andhra Natyam. So those are temple dances. Temple dances, in that these Maharis and all, Angabogulu, Rangabogulu, Kalavantulu, Gotipuvas, all these people are introduced in temples. So that is Vaikhanas Agamas, Vaishnava Agamas, Shakteya Agamas. That is different architecture, and Agamas Anusar, they will do the programs according to the Punnami festival, according to Amavasya. Like that, in only systematic dates and systematic timings, they will do that dance performances in that temples.
May I ask one question, please?
Yes, please, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Namaskar. I
Namaskar.
am Professor Parul Shah from the Department of Dance, Maharaja Sayajirao University of Vadodara.
Nice to meet you,
I
ma'am.
have just Namaskar. Nice to meet you too.
Yeah,
I have just one question for long time. That from Kuchipudi Natya, the theatrical performances only by men. Now it has become, for since many years, it has become more or less a solo dance performance by women.
Yes.
So in that transition from men to women, what expression, what abhinaya part changed?
Yeah.
I hope I am clear.
Yes,
because when men do abhinaya and when they express, I think it is different than how a woman would do. So how are you teaching or were taught this difference?
Yes, I can tell you. Basically, those people like Brahmin families, that Kuchipudi Bhagavatars, they are doing their performances without women because women are facing so many problems while they are doing the performances or when they do journeys and all. So that's why they are not allowed the women to enter into the Kuchipudi. But Kuchipudi Bhagavatas taught us to propagate that culture. We are also interested to learn those things. But we are pertaining to so many things like Bhama Kalapam and this Vipranarayana, Nrutyanatika, Yakshaganam and so many things. What we are doing, we imbibed ourselves all the expressions. The women feminism, we can do ourselves very easily and very expressively when compared to those Kuchipudi people. What we understood is, as a female dancer, what we understood, we can do better than them, better than men. So, but the expressions and all, we imbibed from them and we did ourselves, we practiced and we are doing. So, we took the challenge to express ourselves in those items very expressively and very attractively and beautifully. So
I understand this all I have seen happening, but the transition is very important because those were your gurus, and when they are teaching and when the things from the male character, the way of expression going to the female character, doing the same item has to be different and it has to be taught. What all the women are doing by themselves is a different matter. But how the transition was taught?
The transition was taught is we can't explain that thing, ma'am. Why? Because
can you show the difference? You do one male way and then you do the same thing female way, so we can perhaps understand the difference.
Yes, of course, ma'am. Those people are also doing the male character and the female character same, but those are males. They cannot be able to do more beautifully what we are doing as a woman. That I can say. But when compared to them, we do the best in feminine characters. So in male character, we are also doing nowadays male characters as well as female characters together. I will show you that Bhasmasura and Mohini. Okay. I will show you that character.
Mohini, one is male, one is female.
Yes, yes.
If you do Bhasmasura as male and then again do Bhasmasura as female. Suppose you are Bhasmasura as the traditional Kuchipudi male dancer.
Okay.
And now today you are Bhasmasura, but still you are a woman dancer. So how will there be difference? I don't know. Maybe it will take long time. So I can ask you some later time. No worries. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you,
so
ma'am.
much.
Thank
I
you so
appreciate.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Any other questions? If there are no other questions, shall we wind up? Yeah. So I would like to thank Dr. Surabhi Lakshmi Sharada for this wonderful session on Kuchipudi. We have been waiting for a long time to have a session on Kuchipudi in our ICDA platform.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my privilege to be with
On
you.
behalf of association and on
Yes,
behalf of all the participants, may I thank you.
Excellently. You have done this program, and it's a great opportunity for me to interact with these people, gurus, and many doctors and performers, artists. I'm very, very happy, and also thanks to Shweta. She's continuously connecting with me with all these videos and all. I'm thankful to her as well as you, sir. Thank you so much for giving a wonderful opportunity.
I also would like to thank Kalamandalam Shweta Shivan, and who is hosting from UAE. She's in Dubai, and she has done an excellent job. Mostly, the Kalamandalam artists are not so excellent in technologically, but Shweta has done the job very well.
Oh my God!
Thank you.
Not like that, sir. Kalamandalam students are there. Not like we cannot say like that.
So thank you.
But you did well, Shweta. This session. That's why we are appreciating you wholeheartedly. My heartfelt wishes to you and to all the artists and gurus.
I would also like to invite everybody to for tomorrow's session by Dr. Parul Shah tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. So those who are not
here.
ma'am is here. So those who are not members of the group may please join the group and you can get the link. So
yes, sir.
Thank you all the participants.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all for participating here.
Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.